Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this double flap card with the Snailed It bundle. So this is a fun double flap card. It has two flaps. And here is the Snailed It bundle. Super cute. Has these fun snails and dies to cut them out, along with this cute little envelope and this big postage stamp, and then this little letter, and also some mushrooms, and the Snail Mail Designer Series paper has little snails that the dies can cut out. Super cute paper. And then the die also cuts out this big snail right here, super cute. And then the word bubbles as well. So the word bubbles. And I wonder if it cuts out that heart. Kind of, a little bit. Yeah, it cuts out the heart. And what else does it cut out? I think that's it. All right. There are also these cute resin hearts that we're going to use on the card too, that are part of the suite. So to get started, I used a regular card base, which is a half sheet of cardstock cut in half. So it is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. I used a 5 1/4 by 4 sheet of the Snail Mail Designer Series paper. I used a half of a card base. So this is 2 3/4 by, I think this is 8.5. Yes, by 8.5. And this is gonna go in the middle. And then from this card that I made, I used the inside cutout, which is the 4th largest stitched rectangle die. So 1, 2, 3, 4 for this piece right here. So when you're doing cards, take the pieces that you cut out and use them on your other cards. Then I cut out the postage stamp in real red, the envelope in Blushing Bride, stamped the Happy Mail. So we're gonna put that in the envelope. And I stamped and colored and cut out the little snail. I used the Paddle Pink, Bermuda Bay, and Cherry Cobbler blends. I used the Cherry Cobbler instead of real red because I feel like the Cherry Cobbler is actually closer to a true red color. So I like the Cherry Cobbler. So now I will just assemble the card. So this is a fun, like a fun fold card to put together. Pretty easy, but another fun and different way to make a card. So now I'll just attach this stitched rectangle to my half card. You could stamp something inside here, that would be fun. And then attach the half card to the full card. Just place that in the middle as best you can. You can measure it if you want to. And then we'll place down this postage stamp. That's what I'm calling it. In the middle here. And then we're gonna fold up this envelope. And the way I do it is with glue dots. So I'm gonna use 3 glue dots, and I'm gonna roll the glue dots. So I'm just gonna use my fingernail to roll up the glue dot into a roll. I don't know if you can see that. Ooh, which way do I go? There. And then I'm just going to place that little roll on the edge right there and fold it over, because the glue dot is a little bit too large for the spot right there. And then I'm going to do the same thing. Actually, I only need 2 glue dots for the next piece. So I'm going to just roll the glue dot with my fingernail. And I'm going to place it on the edge of the envelope and just place that down right there. So it's going to be a little bit bulky right there because there's 2 glue dots, but I think that should be fine. Now I can go ahead and adhere this whole thing down. I'm just going to do it kind of diagonally, kind of fun. And then put some happy mail in there, happy mail enclosed. Yeah, I attached it. It would be kind of fun if this could be free, but it would go woo, flying everywhere. And it looks like my happy mail got smudged. My happy mail is sad. Oh well. We will go ahead and just tack it down just with a little bit of adhesive there. And if you want it to not be so tacky, you can just put your finger on it so the happy mail can kind of come out if you want it to. Kind of. All right, and then we'll put this on a dimensional, the snail. And then we'll add some resin hearts to finish up the card. These resin hearts are so cute. I love them. So we'll do red because I think red will show up best. And I'll use my take your pick tool. So I'll just pick these up. And then I want them all to face down. So make them face down. And put one over here. And then grab this one. And where did this one go? This one went up here, here, and then here. So put one down here like this. There, very nice. There we have our double flap Snailed It card. I think I might stamp that again and exchange the happy mail. But I am offering a free card kit when you purchase the snail mail bundle, and it consists of supplies for these 6 cards. So go to my website, elainescreations.net, and use the April hostess code, and then send me an email and let me know that you would like the Snailed It bundle, and I will send you the card kit for free. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out all my other Snailed It video tutorials. I'll see you next time. Bye.